My name is Jose Luis Vasquez. I'm the service manager for Colair. We're here at Edinburgh Activity Center looking for good quality employees to come join us.
Tyson, field supervisor at Colair. I'm here looking for individuals that are just driven for perfection, want to have fun while they work, and just want a career where they can just build themselves and have a great future.
Hey, my name is Saul Cuella. I'm the sales manager with Colair. A Colair employee is somebody that has great communication skills, great people skills. Somebody's not afraid to get a little bit dirty and at the same time just have fun interacting with people and spreading knowledge about our HVAC and about who Colair is.